Hi, today our journey through this wonderful world of maintenance will stop and explore how. How maintenance is executed by industries, organizations, or by private persons or in our private life. I will guide you step by step. Please join me. Now we are going to look how maintenance is executed in two different life cycle of an item or a machine. Let us look the first one, design, and then we'll look after the operation phase. In design, if you want to execute maintenance, it can be dealt in two ways. One is design out maintenance. When you want to design out maintenance, if you know the life cycle of a machine, item or equipment, I can design a material, I can design the configuration so that failure never occurs, or I can alternative way solve the failure, repair it automatically without even operator knows about it. Such as in caterpillar track in the past, earlier one has to lubricate the caterpillar track every day or every 10 hours using some form of lubricants so that frictions and wear is less. But with development of lubricants, new type of lubricants, we don't need to lubricate it more. The lubricant used already from manufacturer lasts for 20 years, 15 years depending on the operation. Means need of lubricating the caterpillar track is designed out. Second example, we can deal with also, or we can execute the maintenance issues by designing for maintenance. If I cannot design out something for maintenance, then we can use the concept of design for maintenance. Often design out maintenance is expensive and it takes time. So people in general practical cases they follow design for maintenance. For example, in a spacecraft, design out maintenance is cheap and more relevant, but this will be very expensive for machines like a caterpillar machine or machine being used in mines or at home, because the cost will be exorbitant. So we use the alternative design and try to create redundancies or some other solution, like recommending a maintenance program that particular item should be changed. When designing for maintenance, we have to be careful. Items should be easy to inspect, easy to replace, and easy to service. So these two are important steps how maintenance is executed during design phase. Now we look the three most important items. Serviceability. When we design for maintenance, serviceability is an important item. How easily I can service it, like as I said, inspect it, fill the oil, replace the oil, etc. If we cannot do this, other part is modularization. This is a very commonly used system in electronic. If some component is not working, some particular area system is not working or subsystem, we replace the whole thing and put it in new system. Similarly, this is being adopted by many companies. Even in a big engine, if in an underground mine, if a tractor engine fails, if the loader engine fails, you replace immediately by a new engine, because repairing the engine will take long time. So we have to adjust the time. We have to understand how long it is going to take and what are the economic implications of replacing and repairing. So it needs some exercise, but modularization is very popular item in electronic machines and all. Third one is redundancies. Like if you cannot repair immediately and the component is very cheap, like in radio, we have a number of transistors. When one transistors fail, we don't even realize that other has started the functionality. So redundancy is another way, an important part of design for maintenance. And we'll be looking these areas again when I come back to reliability and other topics in future. Now we move to the topic of operation, how we deal maintenance, how we execute maintenance during operation phase. Two question comes, who should do it? Shall I do it myself if I'm an operator, or should I give it to somebody else to do the job, or somebody else should do it. And second important question is, where should it be done? It should be done at here at the site or at in the workshop. We'll be looking into that. Now let us look into this, who should do it. I said already, like if I'm an operator, shall I do it myself maintenance? That is also called internal, like internal execution strategy. Or I should outsource it to the original equipment manufacturer, or give it to some contractor who is a specialist in that, and that is called external approach. These both approaches are very popular, but gradually there has been transition from doing ourselves in-house to going in for outsourcing, giving to somebody else, giving to the equipment manufacturers, because they know the machines better than anybody else. And concept is that, idea is that they can do it very cheap, very fast, and they know they can solve the problem for the next generation of machines. So this is very important. Next one. When original equipment manufacturer and contractor takes the maintenance, there can be full service contract, like they do everything in maintenance, like changing the oil, replacing thing. If something fails, they will perform. Or we do a partial contract, like routine work, like changing oil, etc., will be done by us, done by the operator. But major things like a repair of the hydraulic systems will be done by contractor. So next question, where should it be done and where it should be performed? There are two issues. One is, shall we do it, if something fails, shall we bring it to the workshop and repair it there? At a time, it is in lot of cost is involved in that. Let's say a machine is working in the mine, and taking the machine to the workshop is very costly, especially in case of mining equipment. So often you repair at site, not you don't bring to the workshop. So this is a question of economic analysis, cost benefit analysis. Many times it's much easier, like a train fails on the track, you'd go and repair at the site. You don't bring everything to the workshop. But if it is convenient to bring it to the workshop, if there is no economic implication to bring it to the workshop, we prefer to do the repair at workshop, because we have lot of facilities there, we have much more resources available. So this is also a management problem, decision making problem. So summarizing how, in brief, it deals with, in design phase, how can we design out the need for maintenance? We make the system maintenance free. If we cannot make the system maintenance free, then we have to design it so that maintenance can be performed in an easy way, in a much cheaper way, and that's called design for maintenance. Third one, if I cannot do it myself maintenance, I can outsource it or do it in-house by myself. That is called in-house or outsource. But even more important is to know where to perform the maintenance, at the site or bring the equipment system to the workshop. This summarizes the topic of how maintenance is executed by industry and organization or by private person. Thank you. When we